Hey everybody, it's Jamie from Schedulicity. Let's go over setting up and using class waitlists. With the class waitlist, you now have a way to maintain a full class roster even when a client cancels. This means you'll save time, produce more revenue, and keep your clients happy. It's a win-win. To adjust the number of spaces available on your waitlist, head to Settings, and then click into the Policies tile. Choose Class Policies, and from here, adjust the number of spots for your waitlist and be sure to hit Save. Keep in mind the maximum number of waitlist slots is 10, which means up to 10 students would be able to add themselves to a waitlist from the client side. Of course, from the business side, you're able to add more than 10 students to a class waitlist if needed. Once your class waitlist policy is set, students will then be able to add themselves to the waitlist for a full class. To manually add a client to a waitlist, open up the session roster, click the Add to Waitlist button, scroll or search to find the client's name, and lastly, click Add Client to Waitlist. To move a client from the waitlist to the class roster, from your class roster, choose the circular icon of the avatar and the plus symbol. This will then pull up a confirmation message where you can choose to send out class enrollment notifications to the client and the instructor. We wanted to give you full control over who gets moved into your classes. So once a spot opens up, you can move a client from the waitlist to the roster. From here, you can choose whether or not you want to send a client an email notification, letting them know that they are now in the class. If you do receive a notification that a client has canceled, simply walk through the previous steps to fill that spot. And just like that, you won't need any more paper waitlists. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.